guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Jamie, and today I am doing a how I declutter my wardrobe, my children's wardrobe, in order to get ready for back to school shopping. So if you guys have been watching my videos, or if you've seen some of my previous videos, this month I have been focusing on decluttering my entire house, room by room. I haven't made it through the whole thing yet, but definitely made some progress. So if you guys are interested in watching this video that I'm going to be separating out clothes, getting them ready and prepped for donation, or just giving away just because my kids are growing. I have an elementary schooler and now a middle schooler that I know they're going to be looking for new clothes for the beginning of the school year. Also just grown out of a lot of these old things, and I didn't want to have, the drawers overflowing, and they've been doing that for a while now. So that's why I do this at least once a year. That way I can make room for the new clothes. So if you guys are interested in seeing this process, keep watching. Alright guys, so I finished doing my daughter's clothes. Now I'm going to be doing my son's clothes, which I just went in his room. He has a lot of dirty clothes. So what I normally do is I do wash everything, and then I'll go through them again and then separate them and then reorganize their drawers. And then once I have all the bags filled up and all of our clothes went through, then I do take them to like either Salvation Army, or depending on the day or depending on how much time I have, I even drop them off in those drop boxes that they have like at just random places throughout the city, where you can just put them in there to drop off the clothes, and you don't have to go in, you don't have to get a receipt or anything, you just drop them off. So on to this next pile of clothes, which is my son's.
Alright guys, so I've started my load of clothes and really just going to be doing the same process, you know, pulling them out, folding them up. Well, before I fold them, I usually separate them, and then after I separate them, that's when I know which ones I'm going to keep, which ones I'm going to give away. I guess I should be showing how I declutter the rest of my closet. Okay, here we go.
Alright guys, so this is how the closet looks after I went through everything, made sure that whatever was too little or not being worn is now in this bag that I'm going to be donating. I'm left with 2 bags that's left to donate and then 1 bag of trash. So if you guys have made it this far, thank you guys for watching. Please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and please comment below and like this video if you'd like to see videos like this in the future. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.